Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the picture ready and importing it into Ibispaint X. First, open the app and choose Gallery, then import to new canvas so the image becomes an editable layer. Make sure the file type is supported and pick a canvas size or retain the original to preserve quality. Once imported, lock the background if you want to draw on top and double-check resolution. Higher DPI preserves detail for later edits. Once the picture is on the canvas, you organize layers and pick tools that match your goal. Move the image into a dedicated layer and rename it so you don't edit it by accident. Then use Transform to scale or rotate, adjust opacity to trace beneath, and test blend modes if you want overlays. Create separate layers on top for linear, shading, and color so edits stay non-destructive. This lets you experiment freely and undo specific changes without harming the original photo. To finish, clean up layers and prepare for export. Hide helper layers used for tracing, then merge only the layers you want flattened. Don't merge originals until you're certain. Next, go to File, choose Export Image, pick PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller files, and set quality. If export fails, make sure canvas size isn't excessively large, layer visibility is correct, and Ibispaint has storage permissions. If colors look off, confirm color profile and re-export at full quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.